Natural Lake Biosciences is the global leader in manufacturing biological technologies for water resource management. Natural Lake's complete line of products are used by aquatic professionals to restore and maintain water quality in lakes, ponds, and reservoirs across the globe. MetaFloc Pro is the newest innovation from Natural Lake Biosciences' state-of-the-art laboratory. MetaFloc Pro's novel formulation delivers the highest nutrient removal capacity in the industry, and its NSF certification ensures it is safe for use in all aquatic ecosystems and even in drinking water reservoirs. It does not harm fish, invertebrates, or aquatic plants, and it does not alter pH, deplete dissolved oxygen, or cause harmful secondary pollution. This liquid product is easy to apply using standard spray equipment for either low or high volume applications. For best results, MetaFloc Pro should be sprayed evenly over the surface of the targeted water body. MetaFloc Pro will immediately begin to target excess phosphorus and nitrogen by flocking free bacteria and organic particles in the water column. This process removes nitrogen and permanently binds phosphorus, resulting in rapid improvements in water quality and aquatic ecosystem health. By addressing nutrient pollution at the source, MetaFloc Pro provides a sustainable water treatment solution that restores balance long term. Contact Natural Lake Biosciences or your local lake and pond management professional for more information on MetaFloc Pro.